legend of the phoenix all ends with beginnings. What keeps the planet spinning? The force from the beginning. Look. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 The present has no ribbon. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this I'm feeling? If you wanna leave, I'm with it. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We're up all night to get lucky.
I want to play a little TF2 before we get started. Ah, it's bright. I'm just showing off my double chin. Oh, no. So, I'm doing my best to try to use Linux. And the three things I do on my computer. So I play Team Fortress 2, I stream, and I code. So we're trying this out. I have to, unfortunately, use OBS in tandem with the Restream site open because, as it's just missing some of the functionality you get on Windows, which is unfortunate. But yeah. Excuse me. I think this is working. Check out Twitch too. Sure, all my stuff is working. Okay, cool. Looks like that's working. This restream's been a little weird. I'm just gonna run a test message. Cool. That looks like that works. Yep. Oh, I can't sell that. Testing, 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 testing. Alright, just gonna work on my audio levels real quick. Alrighty then. Testing, testing, testing. Much better. Testing, testing. Cool. Testing, testing. Alright, you will have to turn up your steez a little bit to hear me. Work on my audio levels real quick. Hello? Bonjour? Si vous plaît? Alrighty then. Cool. Alright, much better. Cool. Let's bump up some TF2. Your steez a little bit to hear me. That's hello? That works. Bonjour. Okay, cool. Si vous plaît? Get rid of you. Alrighty then. Cool. Alright, much better. Let's bump up some TF2. And I need to add a media source image. Hello? That works. Bonjour. Capture this. Alright. Guess we'll just go left monitor and see how that works. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Just gonna play a little bit of TF2. And then we're gonna get back into it. Guess we'll just go left monitor and see how that works. Cool. Alright. Remember, excited, happy, smiley. Thunder Mountain, baby. Let's bring the thunder. Plowing through them pretty quick. So we're gonna play games for just a little bit, and then we're gonna jump into coding. Good to be back.
We need more medics. There is one on the team.
Okay. All right. Gotta remember to speak up, speak clearly, and all that jazz. I'm realizing I mumble rapped through.
Yes! Guys, we need more medics still. Guys!
Excited to dig through last year Carbon a little bit. We're really making a lot of progress here. So I found a cool little fact that you can hide environment variables on VS Code, so I'm streaming. I don't accidentally reveal the important little auth features on my app. So the main thing I really got to do is finalize a bunch of stuff. It's the PR turn order decision making, it's the summit card choices, and it's just making sure I get as many of the cards up and running as I can. What's a good FPS going here? My ping isn't crazy. It's a little high. That's probably because I'm streaming. What's happening? There's a bit of like a resultant lag. I feel like I do something and then a hot sec later it comes up. Which is fine. Come on, peek. Come on, peek. Come on. Peek. Great. Gotcha. Amazing name. TF2 games are some of the best comedy in the world. It's crazy how meta the jetpack and pyros got. Come on, back up. Come on. Whoa, where are you going? Doing well here. Ducked out on me. I wonder, is the restream logo blocking my face? Probably doesn't help my discoverability. Come on, come on. I see you out there. There we go. Pull.
Yes, 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 yes. We really are Team Fortress 2, guys.
We really are Team Fortress 2. Got a Team Fortress 2, my pants! What? Oh! Oh!
Classy, folks.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
See? What was that? That hobgoblin horse crap. What is happening? Oh! Whatever. Whatevs. We're having fun here. It's Team Fortress 2. Team Fortress o'clock. Twitching too much. Jittering. I got coffee. Got too much coffee in my veins. What are you doing down here? Go. Okay, got him. Wall. I got walled. Wow. Don't quite need this anymore. Hurts your FPS just a smidge to have it up. This map is just not good for snipers. Come on. Freaking jitters. Or jittery Johns. There you go. Hey. Yeah. That ain't gonna work. Think I'll die if I rock him again? No. My brain is not moving fast today. Been reading technical documentation. Oof, just my job today, and it is not fun.
Push that cart forward.
It is a little jittery, I think, compared to Windows, but I don't know if that's stream or if that's Linux. It's good enough. This is good. Oh yeah. It's the gym. Yeah, I know. Yeah. It is. Cave troll. No one. Well, apparently one person will announce themselves in chat.
Announce yourself.
Reveal yourself!
Reveal yourself.
Reveal yourself this instant! See what you think? Your ritual thing? I have to do so much prep work for this sequel thing that I'm doing. Sucks. No, 34. Yeah. Pause stream for a sec so we can talk. Alright. Okay, we're back. Christ, I have a double chin right now. Woof. I probably got booted. Oh, sick. Oh, Phoenix. Nice. I should show you what's going on here. So, finish up this round, and then we'll get into coding. Like I said, the main things to focus on today, and we'll do a little laundry list, but summit card selection after post donation.
I'm sorry, mate.
Probably something else too. Oh, the PR turn order decision making. Oh, and I also got to fix up my ticker because it's listing events out of order. I did a pretty heavy rewrite where the whole thing's in a great spot where it only does one database write per player action. Like before it was doing database writes for player and AI actions, but I'm passing the game state through the program and editing it and then trickling the edits back up the chain. And I'm doing the same thing with the ticker. Ticker honestly could just be part of the game state, but it's nice to have a certain delineation of responsibility when it comes to different pieces of your code base. Double dinked him.
The bomb ain't moving.
I still hear the original one for some reason. Who's that? Oh, you? That was you. My glasses are grody right now too. This is really cool that I've potentially completely eliminated the need to use Windows. I hate Windows. With a burning passion, you do reg edits, you try to block updates, even if you have the professional edition, and it just is a constant pain. So this is Ubuntu. It has the Linux AMD drivers that also include the ROCm stuff. Because I've been using, I'll show it while I'm coding. I have Olama running on this computer, along with some version of a, what is it? Along with a version of the R1 DeepSeek. So I'll be booting that up, and that'll be my little coding assistant. There's this great Firefox extension called Page Assist, I believe, and it just creates a UI front end for talking to your LLM like it's ChatGPT. This is the whole reason I got 7090 XT for my graphics card, was to use all of that VRAM to run AI models. Because they're crazy useful. They're so useful. Now that the internet's just full of AI garbage, there's a somewhat AI-free snapshot of the internet that these models have been trained on. And as the internet search gets worse and worse, at least there's a frozen moment in time to reference for getting good code. Let me know if my levels are okay too. I know I'm a little mumbly sometimes.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
snipers over here. Lobster is hilarious.
Thanks.
It's a very good name. Ooh. See ya. Bye. Oh my god, come on. that thing's gonna kill me, isn't it? Felt too. I think a llama's running on this thing. Yep. None. This will be run, and I want this one. I'll boot that up after. Trying to b-hop here. Quite a few gut shots.
All your heads look bloody 12 feet tall.
Oof.
Nice job. The bomb's moving back.
Do a little loop-de-loop. Oh. Thought he was on my team. Another thing that might be throttling my computer is I only have one PCIe wire running from my power supply to my graphics card. I got another one coming in the mail, and that'll hopefully clear up any bottlenecks. I've been getting a lot of freezing with my Steam Link, so I'm upgrading that too to a... What the... Where was he? Oh! Like I said, I was getting a lot of crashing issues with this computer on the Windows side with the Steam Link. So I'm moving over to a Raspberry Pi so I can try out both Steam Link and also Moonlight and Sunshine and see if I can get some better reliability. Also, along with that, trying to move over to using Ethernet for the connection, not Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi might be part of the issue. Cool stuff coming up soon. After this round, I'm going to work on my game some more with the help of an AI model running locally on my graphics card, which I think is cool beans. Still up there. It's so much worse now that there's people watching me. There we go. Here. Yep. Jeez. Oh. I like when I'm the best sniper playing. I like it less when there's better snipers. Jeez. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, they're all setting up out there. Jeez. It's embarrassing. Down there. Ah! Yeah, like I said, main things I want to work on the game for today are the summit card. Well, first I'm going to fix the ticker, because the ticker's running out of order. I did a ticker rewrite, and the ticker is just writing a line to an array of strings stating what happened most recently. So that started. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Okay. This boy's wet. Come on. Such a pain. Oh no. Getting rocked here. Oh my god, dude. Did you see that clip? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Ah! My sights. Yeah. That might be why. Well, that's when we leave. When the feet people start to come out of the woodworks. Plumber, cool. Alright, get you out of here. Cool. Let's run the model. Now, this should run as a background process, so I don't think I need to leave the terminal up, but it's just booting up right now. And then I'm going to be able to get out of that. Cool. And then if I go to you, go to my extensions, page assist, should be able to have, yep, DeepSeek R1. That's Quant Factory, so that's not right. I want, one of these is 4. What is it? Yeah, it's running Q4. Yes. Hello. Nice. All right, we're running. This is my locally running LLM. I'm going to go to localhost 3K. I don't think I'm logged in. So, web apps typically are a 3-piece structure. Front end, back end, and I have a web hosted database to take care of this for me. I will have to log in real quick. Oh, I did npm install, right? Yeah, no modules. I'm running node 22. That's not what I said. Ugh, I said no use. Hang on. I gotta restart this. So I want to use an LTS version. nvm use 22. I gotta do that for both. So nvm set default. I just want to check the node versions. 23. Whoa! Oh, wow, that's bright. Node version roadmap. So for those of you who don't know, node even numbers are releases. Even nodes are LTS versions. The odd numbers are yeah. We're about to get the release of Node 24, so I'll upgrade when it gets to an LTS version. But any of the odd numbers are non-LTS. So I'm using 22 now. Node. Because that's what I've been developing on. So I want to delete my node modules. I want to reinstall them. Not build. So npm I. Jesus. Something slipped up there. That's scary. Let me take care of that real quick before it falls on top of me. 12 vulnerabilities. Let me fix this real quick. Gotta actually talk to you. There we go. I'm just gonna log in real quick. And now, okay. Start a single player game. This is my game, The Last Year Carbon. I have a cool hover feature where it pulls up the JPEG of the PNG of the card that was most recently played. Each player produces one less energy. That's fine. All PR stuff. I'll buy a PR. Cool. So what happened was there's a payment object that goes along with the there's a payment object that goes along with the card itself, and then a request to play the card. And it has its own socket on socket route here. And this was another big break, was splitting up socket route and socket controller. So this is the entry point for players, but AI can now also call these functions in order to perform AI moves. Now AI isn't a bot, it's just a very stupid little program. So if I go to AI helper, this 100-something lines of code, this is my game's AI. So after I perform a turn, I check, is the next player who's gonna play, are they the next person to go? And if they are, then I try to perform their turn, and then normal seasonal turn is typically what I'm expecting them to do, which is if they have enough energy to buy a factory with batteries and carbon and all that, then do their turn and then advance the turn. There's other options like deciding turn order, and that's based off of PR for the most part. And then there's also summit cards, which are dealt at the end of a summit. If I go to Last Year Carbon, my website, and I look over at the graphic here, this is how the game works. Start it. Each month you do this. I guess this graphic is a little confusing. But every season you do this for all 3 months. You flip the news, you refill your factories, and then you play your turn. Cool. So when I end my turn, here's what happens. I go to the socket route of end turn. I wonder if I can plug in my own AI into this. Control L. Oh. Oh. Trying out something here. So I have a local LLM model running. We're gonna see what happens if I code GPT. Yeah, why not? Installing. open. Do I gotta do the caret thing? Probably. Nope. Nope. Features. Commands. Here we go. How? Features, commands. Yeah, should just be a extension. Do I gotta refresh the page? Let me turn on again, see if that fixes it. Because it should pick up no magic commands. Interesting. Yeah, where's my... Did it not install? What's going on here? Yeah, it didn't. Install. Come on. Do apologize, this is taking a second. I'm just trying to figure out how this thing works. It should have a view installed. Okay, cool. There we go. So now it should have a view. Which means I can go BoardGame code PT. No, don't want to do that. Really have to sign in. Code GPT VS Code without. Alright. Give me a sec. Local elements. There we go. Sick. I want to use. Cool. Q4M. Nice. So now I don't even need the page assist. Never mind, it's not working. Select my AI, do more. Yeah. Ugh, alright. This ain't working. Alright. I haven't needed it before. I don't need it now. It's not sending. Whatever. You are no longer part of my stuff. Is page assist here? Whatever. I'm just gonna go back to using my own local one. Page assist. Cool. So this is my timeline that I'm looking at. If multiple things happen, I need to make sure that back to the left monitor. I need to make sure that the actions are progressing as expected. End turn. This is not running. Probably not running either. Yep. So I did recently make a cool addition to this where I can go home and then I can rejoin a game in progress. Cool. Done. Restream. Let's see who's trying to reach out to me. Adult stuff. Cool. All right. Show my hand. Still only PR, that's fine. I'm gonna buy a battery and store an energy. And my turn. See, this is what's happening. This is what's getting messed up here. Player 1 ended their turn. The news card happened, and then player 2 ended their turn. So it might be my flip news is being an issue. I installed you. What are you doing? Get out of here. So if I go to advance, so it's timeline controller, flip news. Okay. You unshift. Okay. So I end turn. It doesn't do the damn. Enable control click. here. Want. Damn. That's really annoying. Alright, so socket route, socket controller, end turn. Gotta work on my navigation stuff. I should be using Vim bindings, but just not. Timeline controller, advance, player ID, and this is what's happening. This is the issue. I end my turn. That has to happen before you. Oh my god. This is not that complicated. Control X, Control V. Is this a code GPT issue? What's happening? Alright, should be uninstalled. We'll find out. Yes. Control X. Control V. It was. Okay, there was some weird AI overlay thing that was jacking it up. Now it works. Okay, so it just... Weird. Very weird. This is weird. I guess I put end turn here. No, because it has to happen. Damn. So here, what's happening? I can lift this. Yeah, I think this is how I have to do it. I lift you to here. And then say not equal to player ID. Can I do this so I don't spam people with that? And I come back and do that. Okay, I think that fixes it. You know what? I'm just gonna... It's redundant and stupid, but... No, it should be fine. Because we're already taking care of it. So this should work. What I'm doing... I can just have this. All right. Socket controller. Instead of having all this gobbledygook, I still want somewhat of a test here. Basically, I just need this. Not equal that. Tried to play out of order. Turn. this. And I can just leave this in here. What are you doing? Oh, dude, you crazy. So you always will be the active player because I ensured it on end turn on the controller. Okay, so this is redundant, and I just need to get the next active player. And I return. Okay, cool. I think that's it. I think that's my guy. Because I end my turn. Control advance, call for this guy. Now, when I get back to the front end, nav home, rejoin the game. See, that's what was happening before. It was saying whatever happens in the timeline controller is going to happen before we're saying the next player ended their turn. So we're by a factory. And I'm not going to get anything this round, but I shouldn't get any summit cards, but I should get the turn order choice. And it might have crashed. Okay. So we're looping, which ain't great. So make decision summit draft card ID is looping for my AI players. Helper. I hate how the summit thing works. But let's just start a new game and make sure that the ticker's working first before we move on to the next problem. Single player game. Okay, nothing happens. Must cool. Gonna take an energy from blue, put it in my cup. My battery. Store an energy on the battery. Now when I end my turn, it should say player 1 donate at player 1 end turn, player 2 donate, player 2 end turn, and then the next news card, allegedly. And if I end my turn, okay, it completely reversed it, which is not great. What the heck is happening here? So I end my turn. Ticker, I end my turn. Check if it's my turn. If so, I return. Unshift player and turn. Go to timeline advance. Here's the other issue with my ticker. Insert ticker many. I guess I just push here. Try this again. Refresh view. Get back to it. Now home. Rejoin the game. Buy a factory. I'll end my turn. Now it's completely reversed. At least before it was... Why? Okay. Let me just verify PG admin's working as expected. And it's actually inserting separately. What table are you going to? Schemas, tables, ticker text. Order create TS descending. Is that not the right one? Is it created TS? Create TS. Order by. Duh. Order by. Beep. Game ID's inserting. Things inserting. Okay, how about, let's try this. Next end turn. I'm gonna console log. Was it right there? I could just do it here. So ticket many. These going, bam, bam. Save it, reset it. I just care about checking the order as it's going in and seeing if I need to invert this data here. It should be pushing in. Alright, so now home. Rejoin the game. I'm gonna buy another factory. Can't do that, don't have enough money. I can store an energy. I can donate too. Now what should be happening is it should be unshifted so that the most recent element is the first thing to insert. Let's actually Google that and make sure that's right. The order, okay. The order of elements in the array will be preserved during the insert operation. Let's find out. Now it's gonna get stuck on that. Award wrapper. Action array. Player 0 donated energy. What? Yeah. Okay, so it hung because it's stuck. So let's go home, restart the server. The summit draft order, I'm just gonna have to rework because it's no bueno right now. Start a single player game. Show my hand, I have a bad card, so it crashes. Let's try this again, start a single player game. Show hand. Buy a PR, buy a battery. End my turn. Okay. Action array is inverted. Do I unshift you? It's wild that this is still happening like this. So socket route. Weird, very weird. Route. All right. End turn. End turn. AI check upstate. End turn. Player 0 ends turn. So it should be player 0 ends. Oh, doy. That checks out. So what I just did should fix it, allegedly. The unshift at the end there. But what I was doing was I was adding the most recent thing to the front of the array, and that's what's inserted first. So that's inverting the order. Let's try this again, starting the game. So the unshift should completely reversed it. I think I should just be pushing on everything instead of the unshift. Because this is just not working great. Like this should invert it. Let's double check. Data. Let's go home, start a new game. Okay, hands. Stealing energy from a neighbor, nice. I'm gonna buy a battery. And when it's just one action, it works fine, because of course it would. Draw 3 cards. Steal energy from a neighbor. We're gonna go blue. I take their energy. I take your energy. I drink it up. And I'm gonna do this to yellow or green. Bye. So now when I enter, this should be inserting properly. Okay, and it's still borking it. So at the very least, data should reverse, yeah. Player 0, end turn. Player 2, end turn. Get ticker might be weird. Where are you at? So I think that's mostly fine. Although this is still, I don't know why this is flipping and then, like, is that saving? Yeah, this is fine. This is the proper order of actions. Why are you? Okay. Hang on, let me. So get ticker happens here. Get ticker. What about create TS? Let's just. I'll launch the ticker array. What's just weird is this. It's going. Buy battery, play card, play card, play card. I should be ending my turn first. For some reason, the order is jacking up. I guess on the timeline controller. Get next active player. Yeah, turn order. Shift. There's remain. Come in. Oh, and turn. So I do have a ticker here. Okay, I check. Come on. Let's go. And I perform turn, and it's usually normal season turn func. That has the game state and the ticker in it. Oh, right there. Duh. Yeah, that would do it, I think. I still think the order is a little jacked up. Start a new game, find out. Nav home. Single player game. And traffic cards or charge a battery. Buy one battery. I will charge a battery. Buy another battery. And I'm going to force blue to steal a card from me. They get a card, I lose a card. And my turn. See, that's fine, that's fine. This one isn't fine. Why are you doing that? Let's take a look at the ticket R. Yeah, that's not right. Why? Am I writing twice for some reason? Socket. AI check, upstate. No. A lot of people playing Monster Hunter right now. End turn. See, that's fine. Why are you doing this? Is the get... I wonder if the map function's messing her up somehow. I'm gonna double check the database real quick. Yeah, that's not what, it's not the object that I'm inserting. Oh, do I need a... Damn. .407. Connects. Let's try Web Assist. So connects Postgres, NodeJS is not preserving the order of an array of objects on insert. I'm going to Google the same thing. We're going to see which comes up with a better answer for us. Allegedly. No, it has a PKID. This is just nuts. It's frustrating. It's nice to know it's not my fault, but it's not inserting right, which is really frustrating. Like, I don't want to do an insert. Oh, I'm ordering by create TS, not the actual ID. Oh my god. That did it. Of course. That's so weird. I think just because the longer string took longer to... No, that doesn't make any sense. Here, check this out. This is really cool. Now go away. Not you, you're fine. For now, you're on thin ice though. Order by ID. That's so frustrating. Stupidly simple thing, but this should fix it. Now, I think I was right about preserving the order, because the order didn't matter. Alright, now we're going to do this again. Have home. Start a new game. This should significantly help my development by having a real time, like a real order. of the taker items. Sick. All right, I'm gonna buy a factory. Bang, 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 bing, bang. Present table. No one has any. Show hand. Trophy cards. PR. All that jazz. End turn. That's the correct order. There it is. Buy factory. End turn. End turn. Buy 1 PR, store 200. I don't really need more than 1 PR ever. I guess I'll buy a card. They're not going to have charged batteries after this, so what I can do is play that card, charge 1. Show hand. I'll pay 2 for recycling plant. And now I have this active card on the table where I can grab it and I can recycle a card. And I'll do this PR one. Recycle the card. Hehe, card none. Charge battery. Nice. And my turn. Nice. Oh, that was so dumb. Like, it makes sense what I was doing, but just didn't line up with reality. I'm gonna buy 1 battery. Bing bong. I'm going to buy charge a battery, storing energy on the battery. And now the game's gonna crash because if I go back to the code and look at make decision summit draft card ID. Card ID 0. Player to choose a summit card. Choose summit card. Select active players, draft player IDs. I hate how this whole draft thing works, but it is what it is. Set next active player. I think that's right. Also, we can get rid of all these console logs. It's just too much. This is great. Don't need these. These are all taken care of. Nice. I've been messing around with this function forever. Oh, that's too big. I've been messing around with this one function forever. My modifiers. Oof. So I think that did it. I'm gonna nav home. I'm gonna restart the API. Rejoin the game. My hand, got nothing to do. Hopefully that was the last nagging detail, but I end turn. Alright, so player 0 is deciding turn order. Okay. Should be yellow. Confirm choice. Choice, nothing. A, is this sending anything? Oh god, get over to the right. Get over there. Go to the network and see if I'm sending a... No, that's not actually doing anything? Because it should be a WebSocket request right here. Decide which player goes first. Go back, go to you. Make choice, send decision turn order. Make decision turn order. Deciding. So this should hot load. That's still fine. Go to console. Okay, object. Yeah, send turn decision. Start make decision. Did not work. Start decision. Make decision turn order. Should be fine. I think that's what I did. Make decision turn order, send decision turn order. The fact that the socket okay, weird. Make decision turn order. Oh, whoops. That's what went wrong. I need to do this here. This is wrong. Duh. All right. That's an easy fix, hopefully. We'll just make sure that we got in here. I have used Winston logging in the past. It just felt excessive for this project. All right. Refresh. Bish bash. Rejoin the game. Okay, still works because it's all decided, like your UI is decided based off of your game state. Confirm choice. Yes! Oh my god! That's so cool. That's huge. Less energy this turn. Okay. So, most PR. Let's do that. Play the card. Show the hand. Play a polydactylism to get an extra card in the hand. Charge a battery, that's awesome. And my turn, they're both gonna donate. The donation order works. Awesome. Our charge is all bad. Well, lost some energy there, but that's fine. We'll do a factory. Play that. Show hand. Recharge a battery. I'm going to buy a PR. I'm going to steal an energy from green. Nice. Oh, and I also have my recycling plant, and I have no cards in my hand. That's not right. My turn, see what happens. Show hand, one card. What's going on there? So I'm trying something new. I'm doing a mono IDE multi repo project here. Class game. I want to get to. I think it's just like your hand size has to be greater than 1, but it should be greater or equal to 1. Go to board 3D. And I'm looking for my hand modal. Show hand modal. See, this should work. Let's see if there's like a hidden thing. Greater than 1? No. Don't know what's going on there. Let's just throw a console log in there and see what's happening. Nope, get back up there. Don't grab that. Hand modal. Show hand modal. Attempting to show hand. Okay, hot fixed. Click it. Apparently it thinks my hand size is seasonal card set length is greater than. What if I just do that? Oh, I need to do that. That checks out. I don't know. I thought I had a card left and I did not. Alright, I'm just gonna try to donate. Do I buy a... So I have 6 more turns and 7 energy to pay for it. So I'm just gonna donate 4. See what happens. Donate 4. End my turn. They play. Decision summit card ID. Alright. Month 3. Summer. So something was wrong with this. Start, make decision. Cool. So for some reason my AI helper is not working for this. This is the entry point in the socket controller. I'm starting to mix business and pleasure here. I'm trying to keep I did a partial rewrite in TypeScript, which is the worst thing you can do. Either commit, finish it out, or just don't. Okay. Now I have a bit of a delineation between front end and back end stuff. So this guy over here, so helper. Set next active summit player. No more summit players. Major next season, start, make decision for some draft ID. I really should do a quick display of my data structures here. Summit helper, timeline controller, summit. And that happens, prep summit draft here. Cool. This isn't the best way to do things, but if you get stubborn, you get stuck in loops of just non-productivity. Get some draft order. What's that happening? Summit helper, summit, prep summit draft. Hang on, I gotta ban a guy.